I, Nur Emilia binti Shamsuddin, will teach you guys how to make a mouth-watering dessert to share with your family and friends. Without further, let's go to the kitchen. We are making a delicious but easy crust. Digestive biscuits, salt, sugar, and unsalted butter are the main ingredients you needed for the crust. Firstly, 300 grams of digestive biscuits are crushed using food processor. This is a food processor. Secondly, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/2 of a cup of sugar is blended together with crushed digestive biscuits. That, as you can see, all the ingredients for the crust are combined now except unsalted butter. Fourthly, with 1/2 of a cup of melted unsalted butter and the mixture is added into the same bowl. Next, the crust is put in a foam pan. Please remind you have to compact this down and pack it in to have a nice crumbed crust. Lastly, the crust is placed into the freezer. For our creamy filling, cream cheese, whipping cream, sugar, sweetened condensed milk, lemon juice, yogurt, vanilla essence are the main ingredients you needed for filling. Firstly, the cream cheese is blended using hand mixer. Secondly, 1/3 of a cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk is inserted into the bowl to set the cake. Please remember to don't go overboard or else your cheesecake will be too sweet. Next, a tablespoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of yogurt is put into the same bowl. Fourthly, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence is added to enhance all other flavors in the recipe. And then the mixture is blended for a few minutes using hand mixer. Following within a different bowl, 250 ml of whipping cream is whipped up. Please do not whip cream too much because it will turn into butter. Whipping cream is whipped up using whisk. After that, whipped cream and the cream cheese filling are mixed up using hand mixer. crust is firm up and it takes only in the fridge for like 10 or so minutes. Afterward, the cream cheese filling is transferred into the crust. Next, this mixture is placed and chilled into the fridge overnight. Yes, overnight because it needs that time to be fully set. So I will be back once the cheesecake is chilled. Hi, I'm back. So after your cake is chilled overnight, so here's the